What's today? 10/1/24. October 1st, 2024. I'm writing this down straight out of my head. This is the first time I'm putting it on. Here we go. We're going to deal with spinners. I've been reading lately about this idea of spinners, and like I thought I described it to AI one day. This is a point of energy, but that picture I described of the orbit around an axis. These are spinners. That's why, Ryan, I showed that to you. That structure inside the atom bomb, looking like this, and I've described the same structure of a torus with spinners at those points, just like that. Now, what the difference is, here you have the axis turns into a circle. So what I have seen now is that the axis is composed of positive electrical charges. They're going to be in a line, and it's surrounded by negative loops of energy. Just like I showed you, these loops of energy of negative electricity are what, when turned sideways and this and that, that's where you get your sphere from. When two of them join together and couple into an electron sphere shape that mimics all hemispheric, all the energy we see so far. So here's the negative part. It can transform into a bubble as it spreads outward, depending on the axis. And that's negative electricity. Positive electricity being in the center of everything, a point charge. But here, this is what I kept overlooking. This is what kept. We're dealing with everything in motion. So when you put all these positive charges into a straight line and turn it into a circle, you form the inside of the torus that is now a spinner. This is your two forms of antimatter around each other. Inside this spinner, now comes your magnetic. Once you have those two in this form over to here, now you have the intertwined magnetic field going through it. So the spinner itself then becomes that picture where I showed you of the coils. That's also how we get the space-vortex structure, because each one of these is actually a vortice then. See, as it goes around there, it's a vortice. And when I have one going, I was drawing them all as if they were magnetic. They're not, they're electrical. These are electrical vortices. There's the other one. This is going inward, and this is going outward. And the two of them can connect on the same electromagnetic. And in this stable orbit, this is what they make the positronion atom. So the whole time it's been right there. This is not new. This is old math that was developed back 50 to 70 years ago. But we're looking at the exact same thing that's killing science in the Big Bang. We're looking at the peer review system locking out anything but a specific group of ideas. Has brought us to this 70 years of our heads buried in the sand.